Hey everybody, this video, got a American 700. Got this on eBay and it came with all the dirt and everything, no extra charge. Marked UPRR. Crappy thing about it though, that's not an American lock keyway. I don't have a key for it. I think that's possibly one of the master lock keyways, but I've tried a bunch of blanks and I've not so far figured it out, so I may not be making a key for it, but see if we can at least pick and gut it anyway. And then thinking maybe, if I can figure out which keyway it is, make a key for, or just replace the cylinder with the American lock cylinder. Now I did spray a whole bunch of Tri-Flow in this thing yesterday. I couldn't get it open. So it's been sitting now for 24 hours or so, just sitting here. Just thought of something. I wonder if that's Union Pacific Railroad. I wonder. UPRR. I don't know. I guess if anybody knows, you can put it in the comment. Also, if anybody has any guesses on the keyway. So I've already been through about, I don't know, 10 or 12 master lock blanks. Definitely the common stuff, I'm pretty sure. I'll probably end up doing with it if nobody figures it out. It's Saturday now, probably like Monday, to take it to a buddy of mine's shop who's where he works at anyway, and give it to him and have him just go through the wall of master lock key blanks and see if we can find the right one. I just got some rotation there, so there's probably some serrated pins I just set. Just make sure we're not open here. Yeah, right up in last little click on number 1 there. Alright, let's see if we can gut it. So Does have a Phillips screw in there. A whole lot more dirt and crap. I don't know if anybody cares. I'm using a Peterson 50,000th pry bar and a Peterson gem in 25 thousandths. Yelled at occasionally for not mentioning that. See all this junk coming out of it. Alright, there's our screw out of there. Retaining nut. Get the bottom plate off. And so, paper towel here. There's a bunch of tri-flow all over it. Be nice if this cylinder had a coat or something on it. Sometimes Master Lock ones actually do. Like on the laminated ones, and if you ever cut one open, it'll be a coat on it. No such luck here though. We're careful not to lock it back. Doesn't seem to want to come out here. Don't want to do that. Might need a shim on it, maybe. Give that a shot. There we go. And just drop one of the pins. Okay, it's pin number 3. And this thing was filthy. Alright, so two, 3, 5, and 4. So those are all standard pins. And I can just take this piece with me to shop there and try to figure out what what's what with the Keyway there. And let's see what we got going on upstairs. Starting with pin 5. Okay, and these pins, they all just look like anti-bump pins or something is what they look like. They are lightly serrated. Let's see if I can get you guys a close-up of that here. Let me wipe all this crap off here. So the drivers, they're all just like anti-bump pins or something is what they all look like. They're all the same. So, kind of an interesting lock. Yeah, if I figure out the keyway, I guess I'll do an update on it. And I think that's all we got for now, guys, and we'll talk to everybody later.